Alrighty. Uh, Today is Tuesday, the 7th of January, 2025, and we're gonna talk about my trading, the market, and what's next. What's moving, what's not, what I didn't do, what I should have done. Um, trading recap, and like a report card. So today, uh, market gapped up slightly, ran into these ranges. Also, I drew this trend line. Oops, this trend line here, just to show, visually see where that trend is heading. Right now we're kind of in a pretty important area, I believe. It looks like it's rejecting these downwards 10 and 20, but also we'll see if it can hold this 100. Um, if it holds this 100, if this makes a higher low, it's gonna condense and it'll pick a direction. But this doesn't look very bullish right now, and it doesn't feel very bullish. It could be a short term sell-offs, short-term selling. Um, but it is affecting the market very very highly. Um, but yes, so I'm still in Rocket Lab. Sold half earlier this morning, right at the open, like around 29ish. Let me see actually. Um, yeah, at around 28.90. So around yeah, I sold half of my position 28.90. Um, and then I bought some more later at around 28, 28.28. So when it was selling off around here, I bought some around here, right around here. I was like, well, let me just recycle the shares I sold earlier, buy some more. It's just in case this thing bounces, and it's doing okay. But I mean, my average on that is 26.94, so I'm still okay on that one. I'm also in everything. I'm still in all the ones I showed um, before. CRNC. Same thing with this one. I sold it in the morning at what did I sell it at? So I'm lying. Nope, I am lying. I bought some more at 21. About 100 shares, and then I saw it getting really weak because I really thought it was gonna be like another one of those where like a red day then just takes off again. All these stocks have been doing that. So bought somewhere like 21, way up here. And I sold them on the way down, and then I kind of waited for this bottom bounce, and I bought about 150 shares. I'm sorry, 175 shares because along the way down I sold. I just basically I wanted to get 200 shares again, which is my initial position. So I bought some down here at around 1923. So right around here, I bought some right here. So hopefully this one can take off again, but it doesn't. I don't really think it will be able to with this market right now, unless we get like a huge gap up tomorrow. But um, anywho, so still now and then still in ACHR Archer. Same. I did the same exact thing for these. I sold this one actually at sold half of it today at 11.92. So at around right around here in this early morning push here. Um, and then I bought some more back at 11.32. So right around here. So I bought double. Basically, what I sold up here, I rebought back. What I did for all of them, except um, CRNC. That one was I sold half here, and then I sold a quarter here, and I was left with a quarter position. And then I sold that quarter, and then bought some more, and then sold that some, and then bought some more. Yeah, but I definitely overtraded too much today. I just there was a lot of setups that I was trading today. Um, I traded like eight different stocks. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Yeah, eight. Um, so this morning I tried to buy Aurora, sorry, Aura. Um, I might have to get out of CRNC right now. My stop is 1858. It's at 1894. We'll see. Hopefully, I can hold above this, but if not, I'm out. Sorry. Anyways, Aurora. So this morning, I like the news that I had with Nvidia because it's the same, almost very similar news with CRNC, and that one took off. So I was looking at that one today in the morning as an EP, and it worked well in the morning. It was working great, and then the whole market is reversed. But my initial buy was at 940, so right around here, and I bought some more at like probably near the top probably. Yeah, like 968, so right around here. And then just like I just got rid of it. I did not like the price action of it at all. So I sold it almost immediately. It just went straight down. I was like, wow. Like this candle here, I look almost pretty much sold it for $114 loss. And I was like, well, this went down pretty quickly. So I sold it immediately. I didn't like it. I didn't like the price action of it. And then I tried to buy Fubo today. Um, Fubo. Right. I bought some at like 560 on the way down. Yeah, so I bought some around here. My average price was what, 568-ish, so around 570. So I bought some here, hoping the market would bounce, and then I was risking below this, so like 548. So I was risking like 20 cents. So my stop was literally right below this, and it worked out fine. And then it completely sold off. So um, bounces were probably short term, anyways. Uh, and yeah, but so I tried that one today. INVZ. So INVZ really pissed me off. Not only the fact that I missed it yesterday, I had it yesterday here. Let me change this. I had it yesterday uh, on, was this the right day? Oh, way over here. Sorry. Here at 184. And I raised my stop up to red to green, which was like 174, 173. Even though originally I had it at 170. And went up went up pretty crazy late day, and then gaps up massive with some news about Nvidia. So I was like, okay, well, let's get it this time. So I did. I bought some. Oh, so I bought some today. Obviously, I bought some at 295. What's up here? As it was kind of breaking out, it was a little late though, because it went straight up in the morning, like super quick. I was like, whoa, this has got some volume to it. So literally the first minute bar was the low was, or the open, same thing as the low. Open was 270, the low was 270. The high was 314. So it went up to what did I say, 270? Went from 270, boom, here, all the way up to 314. It went up 60% on one candle, on the minute candle. It went up 60%. So 270, yeah, so the open was right here. Almost the same exact thing. So it went up, yeah, 16%. I was like, yeah, I gotta get in this thing. So I got in at around 295 around here. And then just hold off of me. I only lost like 260 on that one. So all these ones are like less than 1% of my accounts. That's pretty good. I kept my losses pretty minimum. And then also Rumble. I was stuck in this one as well. They look good in the morning. Um, let's see. I bought Rumble at 1381. 1381 Rumble. I bought it 13. Is this the same day? Nope. Yeah, it is. Nope. They're frozen. Hold on. Okay. No, yeah, that's correct. Sorry. This is it's frozen. Sorry. So Rumble, I bought it today. This is the wrong day. Oh my gosh, are you serious? Can you like figure it out, please? Here we go. So it's this morning. Sorry, I had it right originally. But so I bought it at what did I say I bought it at again? 14.15. So I bought it up here at 14.15. As it was breaking out too. and then it completely reversed to low day at like 1370, and then I got stopped out. But the trade that really pissed me off today, it's kind of like not really screwed me, but I guess screwed me, was coin. Coinbase really pissed me off. Because yesterday, in the video yesterday that I wrote about, or I recorded, I literally said it. I was like, okay, I'm going to short crypto tomorrow. I'm going to short coin. So, I was looking at, on the, I think it was like the 5 minute, uh, 5 minute chart, sorry. I was looking at, coin relative to the SPY. So, it's going to be a lot of back and forth right here, but let me see. So, in the SPY, you can see it flushed in the morning, and then it rebounded, yeah, it bounced, sorry. And then the SPY was kind of on my trading account, it was kind of like bouncing above VWAP, while coin wasn't really doing that. It was kind of hovering below VWAP. So when did I enter? I entered in at like 9:49. Hold on. Sorry. Excuse me, sorry. I'll show you the chart. I'll actually take a screenshot. Um, you know what? I'll take a screenshot right now. Hold on. I'm doing the 5 minute. Let me zoom in. All right, let's see. Sorry about this. But anyways, so I was looking at the SPY. I had both the charts up because I was like, well, crypto is what I'm looking at right now, shorting it. So I was like, okay, let me just. I saw the market getting weak, and I was like, okay, I think it's time to short it. So that's exactly what I did. Um, so here is my short, and then I'll try to go back and forth with this in the SPY to give like a better view of it. So look at my short real quick. I'll show you this S&P. I'll show you in this the big chart here. So look at the 5 minute on here, right? If you go, when did the market open? Here. Look at the 3, sorry. So if you look at here, in this area here where it was consolidating, you can see that it kind of perks up and it kind of bounces back down and perks up again. Right here when it perked up, look at the time, 9:54. When I shorted, it was 9:45-ish. Oh, wait. No, that's correct. Yeah, I'm doing it right. This is just different candles. Let me show you back this. So this is around the same area. So you can see this perks up once, and then if you look at the SPY, it perked up again. Um, hold on. I'm sorry. Hold on. Let me do this again. I'm just technical difficulties here. Okay, so you can see the 2 up candles here. Same thing here, 2 up candles. But the SPY was holding better. It's hard to explain. You can't really visually see it, but it was holding better. It was just simply holding better. Let me see if I can just take a better. Sorry, this is a mess. Looks almost the damn same. But anyways, it looked like it was holding better at the time. So that's when I got short. I got short coin because it was really weak. So I've shorted 100 shares here, which is like $28,000 my short. I originally was gonna short 1,000, but then I was like literally didn't have the market cap for it or the capital for it. I don't know what the hell I was thinking. I thought it was like $28 instead of $282, $284. So I shorted it here right at 284.15 as it was getting weak, and I only shorted 100 shares, so I was risking like $2-3 because I was at 284. I was risking like 286 like up here. So yeah, right around $2, $3, which is like 200, $300. But I wanted to do bigger size. I just was like so focused on so much other stuff. But anyways, so I shorted it here, and then it went down, and I immediately covered half. And then my stop, I literally brought my stop down all the way down to break even. So I got stopped out, and it drops 20 points. Almost, I think it was Let's do the math here. Let's get this all fixed up. So I had it here at 284.15, right around here. It dropped, let's say 264, dropped 7%, and I was short 100 shares. Um, this one was just stupid. And the reason why this happened, the reason why I moved my stop loss is because I took so many losses earlier on Aurora, on Invis, on Rum, and football was later on. But the reason why I didn't size up into this trade and um, hold it like I should is because I took so many losses earlier. I took like $500, I think more. One, two, three, four, five. Around $600, maybe plus, in losses earlier, and I didn't size up on it because I was simply scared to lose more money, um, and it costed me. And this is like my eighth freaking video in a row doing this, where I move the stop, and it screws me. Um, but yeah, so that was a pretty big trade that could have happened, but it didn't. So oh well. But yeah, I literally said it last video. I literally called it out. I was like, yeah, this thing's gonna be short because I knew the market wasn't gonna be able to hold this. The market doesn't look strong at all. It looks very weak. So we will see what the market tends to do. But overall, in terms of managing my initial positions, I think I did pretty well with those. I give that. The sales I think were like A's. Now they're A's because of what happened in the market. Um, I saw some weakness. It didn't look good. It felt heavy, so I sold them. So I think it was like an A on that. The rebuying was, I give it like a B minus. It was okay. It wasn't really anything spectacular, but it was more like okay, I'm out. If this thing bounces, I don't want to miss it, so I'll re-enter my same size or just buy back the shares I sold and just raise my stop up and put it for break even. So that was my plan, and I give that a B minus. The buys were a little emotional. Not really. Yeah, I guess they were a little emotional. I didn't really wait or have patience for it, so they were a little emotional, and yeah. So that one, and then the Aurora trade. I think the Aurora, the Invis ones were. Oh, Invis. I call it Invis. Invis is I think they're okay. Yeah, I give those like a same thing, B minus C's. They weren't nothing crazy. Um, nothing too spectacular. And then the rum trade. The rum. Um, this was a little chasing-ish. Definitely chased this one. I don't think there was much volume on this today either way. Yeah, there was like very little volume. Even in the morning, there wasn't that much volume. The first, what is it? The first 5 minute had 261,000, and then it just tapered off from there. The next candle had 99,000. So this one I give it like a D. Although the setup is still setting up. The volume and I guess the setup wasn't even that great either. So that was like I give that one like a D. That was not a good trade. And then Fubo, this was also another like bounce play mean reversion type of thing going on. That one I kind of chased because I missed it here at like 320 yesterday. So I was like, well, let me buy some more or buy some. So yeah, I bought some at 591 right around here, and then wait, this today, right? Yeah. So I bought some at like 591. I must have lied earlier. I must have been incorrect earlier. Um, let's see. So I bought some. Yeah, I bought some here at 591. I was risking low this candle, which was 540. So I was risking. I was lying. I wasn't risking 20 cents. I think I was risking 40 cents. Yeah, around 40 cents. Um, yeah, that was pretty good. I did also go much smaller size. So I'd give this trade a B, B plus, because the size was smaller than usual. than I would have taken if it was like first thing out of the open. Um, yeah, but it was a little bit of a chase, so I'd give it like a B minus, C plus. Sizing though was pretty good though. Risked, I didn't do too much anything crazy with that, but yeah. So that's it for today. We'll see what the market does tomorrow, but I'm looking to be short. Um, yeah, we'll see which ones are the best setups. Maybe coin I missed. Very very frustrating, but we'll see how this does. Um, I'll have to look at my stocks on watch to see which ones are weak. Well, they're all weak, but which one has like a nicer setup? Maybe QUBT, the quantum names, these ones. This one, if we get market gets weak, I think this can sell off pretty hard. Um, yeah, all these quantum names, all these DXYZ. I think this is the one related to Tesla. Maybe Tesla tomorrow too. Shorting this to lows, these lows here. We'll see. But I'll get the video off. It's a long video. Probably won't help anybody, but yep. See you.